Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad with your midweek update. Enjoy the next couple of days because after that, we're going to be turning the calendar back towards March. Some very chilly air on the way, but I'll get to that in just a few minutes. But over the next couple of days, sit back and enjoy some very nice spring-like temperatures. This is our Wednesday. We're looking at 70s and 80s throughout most of the Midwest. Precipitation is going to be confined to northern Illinois and Wisconsin. We could be looking at some severe weather for those of you up in that area. On Thursday, notice the very nice dark colors, a nice southerly flow of air pushing its way in. Look for temperatures to certainly be in the 80s, possibly low to mid 80s in some areas. 70s may even sneak their way up into Michigan. Precipitation-wise, well, that's where it gets a little bit more interesting. That front off to the west is going to be slamming into these very warm temperatures, so I expect some severe weather through Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, and points down towards the south. Even in Illinois and even portions of Michigan could be looking at some severe weather, and that's on your Thursday. Come Friday, that cooler air starts working its way into the Midwest. You see those nice dark colors now being pushed to the east. As far as precipitation is concerned, there's the front. Up around Detroit, right through the Ohio-Tennessee valleys, and then points south, we could be looking at some pockets of some severe weather in this area by Friday afternoon, the way it looks right now. Now notice this pocket of precipitation up towards the northern plains, believe it or not, that is snow. The air behind this front is very, very chilly, especially to the north. Now, as we work our way on into Saturday, notice some greens and yellows. So we're going to be below normal on our Saturday, and it gets even a little bit chillier than that on our Sunday. More greens and yellows. We could be some 10 to 15 degrees, 15 to 20 degrees below normal on our Sunday. Now, you would think as we get closer to May, it's going to get warmer. Well, not necessarily in this case. This is the National Weather Service's 6 to 10 day outlook, and this takes us into Thursday. Not this Thursday, but April 27th, a week from Thursday, and it's showing a bullseye of much below temperatures throughout the Midwest. Precipitation will be confined to the corners up in the northwest, northeast, as well as down to the southeast. So the bottom line is, enjoy the next couple of days because you're going to need your jacket over the weekend. I'll be back on Thursday with a better look of the chilly weekend coming up. Until then, I'm George the Weather Dad.